Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to create a YouTube channel with your phone, your Android device, or any other device iOS that you are using. So we all know, using our normal YouTube app, which is this right here, um we can now actually create a perfect well YouTube channel. Let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Sorry. So if you come here and click on switch, let's see some. So now this account does not have a YouTube channel, and if I come here and click, you can see create here. You can just see this is just what you can do from here, and trust me, that's not what you are supposed to use to create your channel. This is not the perfect place for you to create your channels. And yeah, so we are going to use the web browser to create the YouTube channel, and also I'm going to share with you the key features, the key settings, sorry, to create your channel, and this main setup that should be done as a beginner. There we are. So first of all, head to YouTube, to your Chrome, sorry. Once you head over to your Chrome or any other browser that you are using, you search for youtube.com. So you should be bring to a place like this. If you are, if this is your first time doing it, yours might not be signed in. So here you just click and sign in an account, or you do that. So for this, for better features and settings, I will stop button and put it in desktop mode, so we can see a lot of features which you can actually see when you are creating accounts with desktop. So we do that. So now, as you can see, the interface has changed, and if we zoom right here, you can see the the Gmail we are signed in, and option to create a channel. So if you click on this, sorry, if you click on account right here, if you click on it, you can see option to uh, either use your Google account to sign in new Google account, or switch account, or totally log out. So in this case, we are going to create channel, since that's the main purpose of this video. So we click on create channel. So this is it. So the channel name, let's, how about, sorry. So let's click on create. After we're here, let's just give it a name. Alright, so here, this handle right here is your user, is the your account URL. That would be your channel URL. So yeah, yes, clip, let's see, clip season 9, and yeah, so we click on create. And right now you can, sorry, right now you can see that the channel has been created. So now what you do now is I will show you the key settings that you need and all that. So you can, first of all, let's go for customizing. That's where some of the settings are. So if we click on this customize channel right here, let me show you guys this right here. So we click on it, channel. So yours might highlight that you should use YT Studio app, which is the app for analyzing your content and also all these settings. But using this desktop dashboard is actually more better. That's where you will see all that you need and all the relevant settings that are not actually showing from your main browser as Android user. So firstly, here is where you upload your banner, and also here is where you actually upload your profile. Here is just select an image and upload, and here is the username. As I said, you can see right here, here is the URL. Here is the URL, and here is the YouTube description. Here is the YouTube description. Here is what will appear for users to see. Let me show you guys an example. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you can see right here, I pretty have a short description here, but this is my description. So that's it for the description. And also there is another settings which is this. All right, here for you to add link here is either if you have any account, Instagram, X, Facebook, that you want to connect to, you just put the title here and the link to your profile here. Yeah. And also if you, this email part is for you to input your email so that brand or anyone that want to message you can just contact you through the email. That's what the settings about. And this watermark is also good, but it works mostly when your video are always in 16 by 19 IS, which is the full screen YouTube full screen edit. So that's it for the profile part. And they so let's, after all these basic settings as which are your YouTube, so there is one important setting as well, which is all right, which is the settings. If you come down to these settings, you will see here is the current default price of. So also if you come here, basic info, let me just declare this. So you can see right here, basic info. You select your country of residence. You just select your country and here you add keyword that will lead to your account. Like this, we can say clip, edit, and yeah, all that. That's after that. If you come to advanced settings, here is about Children Online Private Protection Act, which if your video is not meant for kids, or yeah, you just choose this, but I always choose that, yeah, not meant for kid. And the most important features here, and let me say throughout the settings here, is this future eligibility. If you come here, you can see that, yeah, standard features were enabled to write this. But if you come here to intermediate feature, which is video over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails and other, if you can see from here, you can see I have thumbnails and videos over 15 minutes that I have actually posted. So it was all possible due to this feature that I enable. So for you to do this video, it's actually for you to verify your phone number. For you to verify your phone number actually. So after you verify the phone number, so you can see they will ask you here if you want it to be text or automated call, which they will actually did to you. So any of this, once you verified, you once you verified, then for these other features, which is ID verification and also is here for you to verify, them to verify if you are actually human. And you can also embed links in your video description. Let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Let's use that. From here you can see three embedded links, which are this and this. So it's all possible due to this advanced future verification that I did. So it's advisable for you to do this as when you just register your channel. It's very advisable. So that's it for this video. So, and that's it for your channel. If you have any question, or you just drop it in the comment section and I'll do a video about it as well.